Greetings. My name is Gavin, and for the last 3 weeks of my life, I've been traveling across the country with my best friend Wilson. This truck is a 2005 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road, and it is a titan at what it does. On the back of it, we have a four-wheel pop-up camper, and then pulling behind that is a trailer. Greetings from Lake Mead. We are just about 30 minutes outside of Las Vegas, Nevada. And for those that do not know, this is the lake that is being held back by the Hoover Dam. Today we are going to do a full truck, camper, trailer walkthrough. I'm going to take you through the pop-up process as well as getting things rolled out for setting up camp for the night. It's getting dark. When it gets dark, it gets cold. So we need to be set up for that. So let's jump straight into it. First things first, the top is latched down, so we need to release those. After that is done, we're going to kick on the propane and then jump inside this thing. Got to light up the fridge. Bet you didn't know you needed to light your fridge on fire for it to get cold. Seeing this trademarked method, use the hat bill to keep the lid open, hold down the primer, and then give it a Okay, now that that's all popped up and ready to go, we're ready to move our stuff in. To move our stuff in, we typically have to go from living in this cab to living in that camper. And after the 2 weeks of traveling, we've kind of got it down. We have a little go bag, which is hanging up here. And then we have like things like our water bottle, fanny pack, which is my wallet, a knife, a lighter, AirPods, and baby wipes. So keep all those things on me at all time. As I pack this stuff up, I will give you the breakdown of kind of the flow in here. And it's pretty straightforward. Obviously, you can see we removed the passenger seat for Wilson. This is kind of all of my luxuries. Down here is my I've been eating the crap out of these crackers, so I use the box as a little trash can. We got our FM frequency transmitter, so we can listen to what we want on the road without wearing headphones. Charger that it is getting a ton of use. Over here, MagSafe phone mount. And then back here is the go bag, which we need to fill. So, what is in the go bag? Hygiene bag, our towel and scrubby, underwear, socks, an MRE of various flavor, Willy's leash, and the fanny pack, as well as a half gallon of water. This comes with me. And you come with me. Look at this sunset. Watch your head. Now, we are in the dungeon camper. So, we need to fix this because we are burning power And how we tell our power is down here. We have 13.7 volts, which is plenty. 13.2 is about 50% power, and that's usually where we're comfortable at. But we don't want to burn these when daylight's up anyway. So let's crack these bad boys open. So, as you can see, even if I kick these bad boys off, as you can see, it really livens up the place. Nothing crazy, but it'll do. It is much too early to be getting the inside ready for bed. So we are going to go find something to do outside. So on the trailer we have 5 gallons of water with a pump. The straw actually fell off in there, so I got to pull that out, dump this out, and then actually reattach that. 1 gallon of extra gas, and then another propane tank that feeds the shower inside. The most important step is to fill all of the water sources for the night and the morning. What we have in here is almost a complete disaster. As you can see, things do not stay hung up on the walls. We get on one BLM back road and everything comes down. So this has been our more permanent solution, which is just kind of wedge things in. As you can see, we have all of our junk here: supplies, snowboard, traction pads. Our clothes are in the back corner, just our shirts. No place to hang them up front. We got our shower over here, but our shower is actually broken, so that's in the tub. We're still in Vegas because we're picking one up on Friday, so that'll be in then. We got our water tank, our battery, and our pump as well. So we got a step for the Willy, which is directly connected to the trailer. Stairs to get to the roof. If I need to clean the solar panels. Inside the camper, you may think that it's a lot bigger than it looks from the outside, which is not true. That's an optical illusion because this thing is tiny. But it works perfectly for Willy and I. If either of us got any fatter, though, we'd be in trouble. This is the spot. It's actually a pretty versatile space. A lot of things have dual purpose. Oh, shoot, I lost my screw on that. And a lot of things get larger. So, for storage, we have some space up here for like spices. We have our pantry over here, which has food, and then dog supplies as well. Down here, we actually have more storage, toilet paper and whatnot. But this is a pain to get on and off, so I try not to use that. And then this is the real money maker right here. Down here, we got some serious storage, which is primarily junk that I don't need because taking this off is a pain as well. This actually pops out into a longer bed, and then this will come down as well, and this turns sideways. I'll drop a picture on screen if I have one, but it turns into a pretty cozy spot for movie night. So as far as stuff, we have kind of our food supplies and kind of our smaller items, vitamins, soap, wet ones. Down here we got our fridge, which is pretty small, but it does the trick. Toilet down here, which has actually never been used. Pots and pans, trash can, our clean laundry, pants, underwear, shoes, That is a coat for the mornings. This is actually on a swing arm and can lower as well. That's like our technology bag, ukulele, some more shoes. And then this actually pops out all the way as well to open up into a queen. As far as the tour goes, that is pretty much everything. I can't really think of anything else. I'll let you guys hang out for the rest of the night as Willie and I get our dinner, maybe start a campfire. Just kind of see where the night takes us while we enjoy this beautiful view. Thanks for watching.
War never changes.